YouTube land. Today you're here with Flippin' Mike. Today I am going to be doing the restore on the 87 Arctic Cat Jag. So we're going to try to get this thing looking really pretty, run really well. Hopefully we will get everything going, get a test ride out of it, and then be able to flip up for something ridiculous. Again, I am Flippin' Mike. Thanks for watching my channel. Stay tuned. Some heat paint, some primer, so I can finish doing all of the heat shields on the outside of this motor. Let's get to work. Happy day. I was in here cleaning out the carburetors and the mail just came. So guess what, guys? CDI came. Moment of truth. I can see that bright as day. That means soon we will have a functioning snowmobile. I do need to empty the gas tank. This was a son of a cracker. So this gas tank needs to come off, which means the seat needs to come off. So there's two seat bolts in the back underneath on these back corners. And I think just the strap holding this sucker on, but I got the gas tank loose. But I don't want to crack it or break it or anything like that. It's old and fragile. So I'm gonna take the seat out and I'm gonna slide that out, and then we are gonna clean the inside of the gas tank because there's freaking sludge in there. Flippin' sludge. So there's a problem inside the gas tank. Can you figure out what that is? Comment down below if you know what's going on and why we might not get gas if I were to rebuild this thing and not take this step. That's great. Just great. You guys ready for this? I sure am. First test drive. nice. The little old girl runs pretty darn good. It is a little bit low on oil, as you seen the light popped up. That should be more full, but it's enough oil to run it, and I put plenty of oil in the gas tank. So it's gonna blow a little bit of smoke, but I want those rings to be nice and lubricated. And get this thing loaded up and ready to flip. All right, guys, we have it all loaded up. What do you guys think? Leave me a thumbs up if you guys like it. Let me know down there in the comments what else you guys would want to see here in the future. Today, we are on a mission. We are going to flip the Arctic Cat project. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna trade up for the silver tuna.
Perfect.